Hello and a very warm welcome. I am so glad we have this time to connect today. We're going to be talking about something that is so fundamental to our sense of freedom, our confidence, and our ability to enjoy life on our own terms. I'm talking about the strength in our legs. It's something we often take for granted in our younger years, but as we journey past 60, many of us start to notice a subtle and sometimes not so subtle change. Maybe this sounds familiar to you? It's that little extra effort it takes to get up from a comfortable, low sofa. It's the second thought you give to taking the stairs instead of the elevator. It's that feeling of unsteadiness that can creep in when you're walking on uneven ground, or the worry that your legs might not be strong enough to catch you if you stumble. This isn't just a physical sensation, it's an emotional one. It can feel like our world is slowly shrinking, that our independence is being chipped away piece by piece. The frustration of wanting to do something, play with a grandchild, on the floor, work in the garden, take a long walk in the park, but feeling limited by the strength and stability of your own legs is a deeply personal challenge. I want you to know today that this is not a battle you have to surrender to. Your body has a remarkable innate capacity to rebuild and get stronger at any age. It is never, ever too late. The key is to understand what your body needs and to provide it with the right tools and the right fuel to do its incredible work. What if I told you that nature has provided a single, delicious, and commonly available fruit that is packed with the precise nutrients your muscles are crying out for? A fruit that can act as a powerful catalyst in your journey to regaining leg strength, stability, and confidence. This isn't about a magic pill or an overnight miracle. True strength is built with consistency and care. But by adding this one fruit to your daily diet, you can create the perfect internal environment to support your muscles, accelerate their recovery, and help you feel the results of your efforts much faster. Today, we're going to unveil this amazing fruit, dive deep into the science of why it works so well for seniors, and show you simple, delicious ways to make it a part of your life. Before we do, I would be so grateful if you would share a little of your own story in the comments. Is regaining leg strength something that's on your mind? What would you love to do with more confidence and stability? Your experiences matter, and they connect us all. And if you find this conversation helpful, please consider subscribing. Our community is here to walk alongside you, offering support and encouragement every step of the way. First, to truly appreciate how our special fruit works, let's take a moment to understand what's happening in our muscles as we age. There is a natural process called sarcopenia, which is just a scientific term for age-related muscle loss. Starting as early as our 40s, we can begin to lose muscle mass and function if we don't actively work to maintain it. This is not a personal failure. It is a biological reality. Hormonal changes, a natural decrease in the body's ability to turn protein into muscle, and a more sedentary lifestyle can all contribute. Think of your muscles as a beautiful, intricate structure being built by a team of construction workers. In our youth, the construction crew is large, energetic, and has an abundance of high-quality building materials. As we get older, some of the workers might retire, and our supply of building materials might not be as readily available. The result is that the process of breaking down old muscle can happen faster than the process of building new muscle. This is what leads to that feeling of weakness. But here's the empowering truth. You have the power to rehire that construction crew and restock the supply of building materials. The hiring is done through gentle movement and exercise, which sends a signal to your body that stronger muscles are needed. And the restocking of supplies is done through nutrition. You have to give your body the essential raw materials it needs to repair and rebuild that strong, functional muscle tissue. Without the right nutrients, even with exercise, the rebuilding process will be slow and inefficient. Your body needs more than just protein. It needs a symphony of specific vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats to do the job properly. And this is where our one remarkable fruit comes in, acting as a complete supply truck, delivering a host of the most critical nutrients all at once. So, what is this creamy green powerhouse that can make such a difference? The single fruit we are talking about today is the incredible avocado. Now, I know what you might be thinking. An avocado? Yes, absolutely. For too long, avocados were misunderstood because of their fat content, but we now know they are one of the most nutrient-dense, muscle-supporting foods on the planet, especially for seniors. It's not just one nutrient in an avocado that does the trick. It's the magical combination of several key players that work in perfect harmony to support your leg muscles. Let's break down the 4 superpowers of the avocado. First, let's talk about potassium power. We often hear about eating a banana for potassium, but ounce for ounce, avocados contain significantly more. Potassium is an electrolyte that is absolutely critical for muscle function. Think of it as the spark plug for your muscles. It plays a vital role in carrying the electrical signals from your nerves to your muscle fibers, telling them when to contract and when to relax. When your potassium levels are low, this communication system can falter. Your muscles might feel weak, you might experience cramps, and your physical response time can slow down. All things that are detrimental to stability and strength. By providing a rich source of potassium, avocados help ensure that your brain-to-muscle communication is sharp and clear, allowing for strong, coordinated contractions when you need them most. The second superpower is magnesium magic. Magnesium is a true miracle mineral, involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and many of them are directly related to muscle health. Sadly, a huge percentage of older adults are deficient in this vital nutrient. Magnesium is the ultimate partner to potassium. While potassium helps muscles contract, magnesium helps them relax. This is crucial for preventing the painful cramps and spasms that can plague weak or tired legs. But its most important role for regaining strength is its function in energy production and protein synthesis. Every move you make requires energy in the form of a molecule called ATP. Magnesium is essential for the creation of ATP. Without enough magnesium, your muscles simply won't have the fuel to do the work of getting stronger. Furthermore, magnesium is a key player in protein synthesis, the actual process of using amino acids from the food you eat to build new muscle tissue. By ensuring you have adequate magnesium, avocados are helping to both fuel and build your leg muscles. Our third superpower is the fuel of healthy fats. For decades, we were told to fear fat, but we now know that the right kind of fat is essential for our health. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats. These fats are a fantastic source of slow-burning, sustained energy. Unlike sugary snacks that give you a quick spike and a crash, the healthy fats in an avocado provide a steady stream of fuel that can power you through a walk or a session of gentle strengthening exercises. But even more importantly, these fats are powerfully anti-inflammatory. As we discussed earlier, low-grade chronic inflammation can hinder muscle repair and contribute to feelings of weakness and pain. The healthy fats in avocados help to cool that inflammation, creating a healing internal environment where your muscles can properly recover and rebuild after activity. Finally, the fourth superpower is the antioxidant shield. Physical activity, even gentle movement, naturally creates a small amount of oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants are what protect our cells from this damage. Avocados contain powerful antioxidants, including one called glutathione, which is known as the body's master antioxidant. By helping to neutralize the harmful free radicals produced during muscle exertion, the antioxidants in avocados protect your muscle cells from damage, allowing them to repair more efficiently and grow back stronger. So you see, it's not just one thing. It's the potassium for the spark, the magnesium for the building and relaxing, the healthy fats for the fuel and anti-inflammatory action, and the antioxidants for protection. The avocado provides this entire muscle support system in one delicious creamy package. It creates the perfect nutritional foundation to help you regain leg strength and to do it faster than you would without this targeted support. Now for the best part, how to easily and joyfully bring this amazing fruit into your life. The great thing about avocados is that they are incredibly versatile and require very little preparation. A good goal to aim for is about half a medium avocado per day. This is enough to provide a significant dose of these crucial nutrients without adding excessive calories. So how can you enjoy it? The possibilities are endless. One of the simplest and most popular ways is on a piece of whole grain toast. Just mash half an avocado with a fork, add a little squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and spread it on your toast. It's a wonderfully satisfying breakfast or lunch that will keep you energized for hours. If you have difficulty chewing or just love a nutritious drink, avocados are a fantastic addition to smoothies. They blend beautifully, adding a rich, creamy texture without a strong flavor. A simple smoothie with half an avocado, a handful, of spinach, a banana, and some milk or yogurt is a nutritional powerhouse. You can also simply slice an avocado and add it to a salad, or dice it and toss it into a bowl of soup or chili just before serving. Or, for the ultimate simple snack, just cut an avocado in half, remove the pit, sprinkle it with a little salt, and eat it right out of the skin with a spoon. It's nature's perfect single-serving bowl. The key is to find the ways that you enjoy most, so it becomes a consistent and pleasurable part of your daily routine. Now, we must talk about the inseparable partner to our wonderful fruit. The nutrients in the avocado are the high-quality bricks and mortar for rebuilding your leg muscles. But for the building to actually happen, you need to call in the construction crew. And that crew is gentle, consistent movement. The food fuels the potential for strength. The movement provides the signal for that strength to be built. The two work together in a beautiful partnership. You don't need to go to a gym or start in our intense workout regimen. The most effective exercises for regaining leg strength are often the simplest. One of the single best exercises you can do is the sit to stand. Simply sit on the edge of a sturdy, stable chair, and without using your hands if possible, stand all the way up and then slowly and controllably sit back down. Doing this 5 to 10 times in a row, once or twice a day, is a powerful way to strengthen your thighs, glutes, and hips. Daily walking is another wonderful way to build endurance and strength. Even just 5 or 10 minutes at a time can make a huge difference. You can also do simple leg lifts while seated in a chair to strengthen your quadriceps. Remember to listen to your body. Start slowly, be consistent, and celebrate your progress. When you fuel your body with an avocado and then engage in these gentle movements, you are sending the clearest possible message to your body. It's time to get stronger. In closing, I want you to feel a true sense of hope. The feeling of weakness in your legs is not your destiny. It is a signal from your body that it needs more of the right support. Regaining your strength, your stability, and your confidence is a journey you can absolutely embark on, starting today. It's a journey of nourishing your body with kindness and wisdom, and moving it with gentle intention. The incredible avocado is not a magic solution, but it is a profoundly powerful tool. It is a simple, delicious, and natural way to provide your muscles with the exact fuel they need to rebuild and thrive. Every time you enjoy this creamy green fruit, know that you are taking a proactive, loving step towards a more independent and vibrant life. You are investing in your freedom. As always, it is wise to speak with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. But embracing whole natural foods like the avocado is one of the safest and most effective paths to better health. Thank you for your time and your trust today. Here's to stronger legs, steadier steps, and the wonderful confidence that comes with them. Take wonderful care.